Hi guys, it's Lynne with Softwares. Today I'm going to open up the Creative Notions subscription box. It's a semi-monthly box. It comes out every other month. This is the October box. I've been holding on to it for a couple days because I have been kind of deep in a project here. Most of you know what that is. But anyway, I'm going to show you what came in this box. I have not done anything other than to crack the seal, so I'm super excited. I have not watched any of the other videos of unboxings because I've been trying to actually have a real surprise. So let's see what is in this box from Creative Notions for October. All right, so first thing I see here, Creative Notions box number 4. What's in the box? All kinds of goodies in here. So we have, actually, instead of just reading that, I'm going to pull things out and then reference back to it. How about that? We have our Scraptastic project. It's pumpkins, and look how cute that is. They're like a rag pumpkin. It's also showing us that we can use this orange peel template that was sent out to us in a previous box. I want to say maybe 2 years ago. And if you don't have it, you can get it from creativenotions.com. And they have a QR code to watch how they made them, and that is so cute. Look how cute. Oops, I got a bunch of them just sitting up there. Okay, so you're going to need, so this is the Scraptastic project, which means it's just instructions on how to do something. You use your own scraps on it. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust my camera. I guess it wants to keep syncing. All right, then we have, sorry, Piper. No. Come here, hurry, in. Sorry, had to let her in to keep her from barking. Okay, we have a pattern for Confetti Runner by Wilmington Prints. This one's actually a free pattern, so there's no value to it. But this is what it looks like, and look how cool that looks. So that cool pattern is in here. It's using ombre fabric, if you do it this way. So we have that. The Scraptastic pattern, sorry, does it have a value to it? It doesn't have a value. I might find it in a minute. Okay, we have our mystery quilt block number 11. This is for the quilt, and then here's number 10. So we have the next 2 quilt blocks for our block of the month. Mystery block, it is stars and pinwheels and the mosaic. So they finish at 12.5 by 12.5. If you've been getting these throughout the year, you are getting more. So if you don't have them and you're just starting or you want to get them, definitely reach out and Vicki will set you up with those. Okay, the value for these 2 kits, patterns, sorry, I know there's a value, I'm just not seeing it, so I'll come back and I'll probably summarize the sheet. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Cute little project Scraptastic quilted greeting cards. So she's showing you how to do another scrap project using your scraps. Add scraps of lace to make a really embellishment. Oh, okay. So they're just showing all kinds of things that you can do, and look it up. And there's 2 pages to it. More to that. She has sent out the revised Presley's Dream pattern for any of you who got the last pattern, the last book. The pattern had some issues, and she's now giving you all a brand new physical copy of last month's pattern. And if you didn't get that box, it's a bonus for you. So that's a revisit from last year, or sorry, last box 2 months ago. We have a pattern in here called Quilters, or sorry, a recipe called Quilters Moonshine. And let's see who sent it in. It doesn't say, which means it's from Vicki's creative mind or her recipe collection, but she does these contests, and so we've got the winners of the month right here. Let me just read what they are. Usually there's a recipe included in there, but she doesn't have it. So we have the main project winner is Paula Ziliski. Apologize if I'm saying it wrong. Make It Mini is Pamela Hill. Cute little project winners, Tina Crofts, and participation winners, Mary Jo Pigot Groom. And tell us what you'd like to receive in your next box. Share a copy of this link to your smartphone or complete this survey to help us out. So if you take a snapshot of this QR code, it takes you to a survey. They want to know as a subscriber, so do this if you're a subscriber, what you think about the boxes and would like to see next year. Okay, let's go back to what's in this box. It's still loaded, guys. We have a little bottle that says Creative Notions Liquid Starch. I'm going to guess that that is what this is. 1 gallon of distilled water. You need liquid starch. Okay, it's for what goes in here. Vodka, a couple drops of your favorite essential oil for smell, and transfer motion into the spray bottle. Voila. Okay, so it is not a real recipe. It's to make this, and then you can keep filling your bottle. Why am I struggling with the camera? Anyway, it's the liquid starch by Creative Notions, and here's her pattern, her recipe for it. Recipe pattern. I interchangeably use those words in the kitchen and in the sewing room. Hopefully you can follow me. All right, so we have, let's see, there's information back here on what's in here. Your box of fun. Get ready to swoon over this fall box of fun. It's stuck with lots of great projects. There's a table runner project, which we already pulled out. It is made from just 2 charm packs and binding fabric. So there are 2 charm packs in here. They are Daybreak, Dry Brush, I can't read. Dry Brush and Into the Woods, both by 5 Carat, or 5 Carat Gems by Wilmington. Am I right on that? I cannot read tiny print with my glasses. Anyway, so look how pretty these are. So these are 2 charm packs that we're getting to do that. And then here is the yardage. And that goes with the free pattern that I've already pulled out. So she has a value of this, 2 5-inch square packs is $30. For these, the half yard of confetti cotton for the binding is $7.25. So it's confetti solids. It's the confetti is the name of the fabric line that they're using on there, not to be confused with Reddy Blake's confetti cotton, which truly is a solid, not a brush look. So in case you got confused like I did. So there's that. Okay, now let's go back and read what else is here. Table runner, oh, we did that. Make it mini. This project features a charming cluster of fall leaves. You can place your leaf blocks in any direction. There's an instructional video. Breast cancer awareness. Let's unite to stay informed and proactive about our health, because prevention is the name of the game. Everyone can use a pair of socks. And a keychain. So we have a pair of socks and a little keychain that says breast cancer survivor and be strong. My mother passed away from breast cancer, so I'm not a survivor, but I'm a family survivor. Anyway, look how cute these little socks are. So little anklet socks and a keychain, and love it. Let's see if she has a value on that. Breast cancer awareness kit is $8. The Quilter's Moonshine is $4, so that's for the bottle and the recipe. Okay. We also have cute little project Scraptastic. For this month, we've combined both projects and chosen some greeting cards that are perfect for sharing a tiny quilt. Use your imagination or check out the project pages for ideas. There will be a drawing at the end of November for those who show their creations on our Facebook group page. Make a Christmas card for an extra chance to win. She does a lot of contested giveaways, so her Facebook group is really active, so definitely check that out, but post your projects and you could win something. Okay, so that was the second one I had already shown with the cards. Okay, mystery quilt. How is your mystery quilt coming along? We have just 2 more blocks to go, then we could put them together. Remember, you need to make 23 of block number 2, so don't forget that. And that one came out earlier. Quilter's Moonshine. We wanted to try this recipe for a while now and thought many of you would too. We've included a little Mr. bottle and a recipe card in case you want to give it a shot. Presley's dream, as many of you discovered the pattern was sent to you last month, was a draft copy and was incorrect. We're sending out the correct pattern in this box in hopes that you haven't started your quilt. I removed the 3-inch border due to lack of fabric to make it. There's still some bolts of a few of the fabrics that we can pull for you. If you find yourself short while cutting, please send me an email with the picture of the fabric that you want, and if we have it, we will be happy to send it to you free of charge. Please accept our sincere apology for the mishap. I try to make patterns as correct as I can, and now I have a pattern tester that checks my work. So that's going back to this. Last month was just a challenging month for her to get the right pattern out in our hands. Okay, so let's keep going. There's still more stuff in here. Make It Mini Falling Leaves. So this is the mini, and I apologize, I skipped right over that when I was reading it. I was thinking that was our little pumpkins, but it's not. This is for our hanging little mini here, and she has included this, the new topper for our frame that we got earlier in the year. Again, anyone that's new that wants to get the whole thing, just contact her. So it comes with, make this pretty and quick. Oh, by the way, sorry, there's a whole bunch of fabric that's cut out, and it's in here already. Really, really pretty fall fabrics. So this is what you get to, and there's quite a bit of this. So this is your background. Okay, show, and then you get little pieces for your stems. So we have that, okay, and that goes with the topper. We also have the cards right here that go with the pattern. So clearly I'm just randomly pulling things out and kind of not knowing what I'm talking about. I apologize. So this is the little cute little greeting project. That's what this is. Okay, so you use your cards and you can build some greeting cards. She's given us, wow, that looks like memory foam. But we have 4 of those. We have 4 cards and 4 envelopes. So this is a part of a kit to make cute little fabric quilts. Last thing in the box is caramel popcorn by the Country Popper, which is a local vendor in her little community, and it looks scrumptious. I'm going to dive right into this and eat this as soon as I turn the camera off. It looks so good, so yummy. The Country Popper has a little QR code on here. Let's see if I can make it so you guys can scan it. You can find out more about them. All right, so let's go back to reading our sheet, because for some reason I didn't read all of the things in here. We have the pattern for confetti, the pattern cute little project greeting cards with mini kilt is a $12 value for the pattern and the cards I had just shown you. Make It Mini, which is the fall quilt that I had just shown you that uses the topper. So it's $20 for the kit and $15.50 for the topper. And then we've got everything else in there. So our value for the box this month is $96.75. This is adorable. As always, her kits are amazing. So check her out. There is a link below if you want to. It's not a direct link. Actually, just go to creativenotionsquiltshop.com. Tell her I sent you. It's dawned on me this time. I always walk around with a hair clip in my shirt or in my hair. It's one of the 2 places. Anyway, tell her I sent you, but there will be that that web address in the description, as with all of my videos. So go check her out and let me know what you think about it. Have a great day, guys. I appreciate you being here and for checking this video out. Again, go check her out. She's having a great sale right now on her website. Thanks. Have a great day.